What do you think about the semi-automation and automation of craft beer equipment? Automation is a process performed by humans using software and hardware. Brewing is a batch process and has long been handcrafted. Brewers are also looking to reduce manual labor and focus on beer quality. We are committed to optimizing the structure of beer equipment, process flow, and automation control concepts. From the communication with partners, we learn that the degree of automation is the focus of everyone's attention. Even microbreweries and beer bars can use automated processes. This article will analyze the concept of automation and share it as experience. 1. Semi-automatic control. Whether the temperature is collected by an intelligent temperature control meter or a PLC module must be determined according to process control requirements. Start and stop motors and pumps by manually pressing physical buttons or buttons on the touch screen. The temperature of the saccharification tank and filter tank is only collected and displayed without any processing. 2. Semi-automatic. The temperature of the fermentation tank and the temperature of the ice water tank are controllable. When the solenoid valve of the fermenter opens, the ice water pump starts at the same time. The cooling jacket of the fermenter provides ice water cooling. The refrigerator starts when the ice water tank is higher than the set temperature and stops when it reaches the temperature. Semi-automatic small home-brewed beer equipment is more suitable for restaurants, bars, and other entertainment venues. 3. Automatic control. Beer equipment can meet the requirements of beer technology, improve the engineering of technology, control and production management of the beer production process, adopt advanced control technology, network technology, and modern metering technology, development of a comprehensive automation system for beer production equipment and process characteristics. 4. Automation. The saccharification process starts from the raw material silo conveying to the silo weighing. When the valve is open to enter the pulverizer, the pulverized malt powder is transported to the powder silo. Then open the valve of the powder silo and put it into the mashing pot. This process can be applied to equipment of more than 1 ton, reducing labor intensity and saving labor. After reading the above description, you should be clear about the boundaries of automation. If you have any questions, please contact us.